Wait, guys, wait. Yes, done. Now done. I'm done now. Hey guys, so now I'm playing Hunger Games again. Yes, I'm playing Hunger Games. In real Minecraft, I'm gonna do that portal too. I want to do that portal too. So yes, I really want to do that portal too. But for today, I'm gonna play some Hunger Games, and my brother want to try it too after I play one game. But
Yes,
for today,
that's true.
There's join. There is a join. That I wanna quickly. Ooh, that looks like Kawaii-chan, my favorite YouTuber when I was a kid.
Yo, solo.
But
Yan, there is Kawaii-chan.
that looks like Kawaii-chan too. But I'm a YouTuber too because when I was a kid, I'm not a YouTuber, but I'm still a kid. Yeah. When I was a small little kid, my favorite YouTubers Little Kelly, Little Carly, Kawaii-chan, Afmao, Pat and Jen, Store Master, Dan TDM, everyone. I love every YouTuber. But one day when I got my own YouTube channel, I didn't even watch them anymore. So later after I finish this video, I'm gonna watch them. Nothing. No chest again. Like in my other video, the one that you watch, or do you watch it? I don't think so. So yes, the one in my last. Yeah. But I don't see any. Oh, chest! I see a chest. Ooh. Yeah. I see a chest. I want some bread. I want some chicken. I want some sauce. I wanna burn them all. Burn. Wait. But there's a one thing that I don't need, guys. There's only this one thing that I don't need. Nah, maybe I need it too, but no. I need to find a chest on my own. Yay! Oh no, guess 511 is winning. In my first video in Hunger Games, uh, there's, there's wrong in the game. Wrong in the game, not in my phone. In the game, there's something happened. My controls are something. There's something happens in my controls. But for today, I don't think I see a chest. Like in
But
the
there
one.
is a house.
I saw a house but no chest. Ooh, do you think I should go down?
Okay.
With jumping
go.
skills.
Go.
Ah,
Go.
I'm gonna die. Oh no, I'm not gonna die.
Whoa.
Yeah.
Oh
No.
no. Go faster. Go faster.
I'm gonna go.
Use this sword.
Yes, I wanna use this sword.
Sword.
So we're in Philippines right now, and we watch this awesome called Encantadia. So we watched this in. Oh no, he is not VIP. So we watch it. It's really good, and I really like the actions, actions. Yeah, really love the actions in there. Love it so much.
There's a chest.
Come on, yes! Give me something nice, baby. You give me something nice. Now I got double things. Wahahaha. But what do you think, guys, is cooler? And let's copy me.
Yan.
The golden axe or the iron
Golden axe.
Golden axe.
Then go to the castle.
Where's the
Ay,
castle?
a house. There is a house.
I'm going down so quick. I'm dying. Ah!
Eat.
the bread. I'm sick. I'm really sick. I'm dying. Uy! Again! I said a word. I said, uy. Oh, yeah. More uy.
Oh,
Oh, I
wala.
don't want anything.
Nothing there, nothing.
Nothing suspicious and beautiful there.
Ha!
Oh, not nice jump. I thought I'm
Nice
gonna...
jump.
No, not nice.
Just.
Oh!
Golden sword.
Good.
There's nothing there. There's nothing there.
But I want more.
Nothing
I
there.
want to play
Nothing
this
there.
cake.
Nothing there. Nothing there.
Oh.
Nothing
I
there.
think...
You will never get it.
Huh?
Oh no, you fell.
What will I do now? I hope the deathmatch is starting soon. I'm good at deathmatch, but not finding stuff. I think I'm good at deathmatch.
no.
Oh! Oh! I don't see you. I just got leather axe. Oh man, leather axe.
Leather axe. Oh.
Leather. Ah! Oh no, I fell. No! Uy.
Oh, yes, but don't get it.
Oh. Your turn, baby bro.
So this is her brother play.
Yeah.
Let's quick play. Oh. Wee. Oh man.
Baby bro's really not good at Minecraft.
Ching. Oh. Oh. Oh.
Why?
Yay.
Why?
Woo.
Why?
Join solo? Nope, I don't want solo.
Do you want
okay,
team?
solo.
Do you want
Hey,
team?
creeper. Hey, creeper. What are
Ooh,
you?
that creeper is so much cool. Cool creeper, cool creeper.
There is a chest. Hey,
Why?
where is the chest? Where's the chest?
Oh, it's start. No, don't go in the middle, baby bro. Don't go in the middle, baby bro. Don't go. They're gonna kill you there faster. Ooh, in the middle is really nice. But don't go there. Bam, pow. See, you don't see. Oh,
Oh
that's
no,
really
I'm not
fun.
longer invisible.
Ah! Someone's breaking! Ah!
Ah, I think someone.
Ah! Be quiet, baby bro. Be quiet. Look, look, look. You can hear it, guys. You can hear it. Oh no, there's no more. Oh, it's an ice. Big bro is breaking an ice. Baby bro is playing.
Okay,
Now you can hear
no
it
more.
breaking some ice.
There isn't nothing here. I'm so hungry.
Ah!
Oh no. Oh, sorry. I have nothing. I have nothing
But
to
you
give
got
you.
a nice.
Oh no. Ah. Okay.
So this is the end for
Again.
it, guys.
Oh,
no.
no.
This is the end for it today again.